welcome to my video. This is my first ever. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Abby Paternity, and for today's video, we are going to be doing a taste test. So I love both of these. This one's from Paris, and this one is a Vans warm-up waffle. If you don't believe me that this one is from Paris, I can bring my mom in here later. She went to Paris, and she just got back yesterday. And she brought these with me as a little gift. They're absolutely awesome. They're very, very tasty, but I also love my Vans waffle. And I was thinking about it, and I kind of wanted to do a taste test. So I'm bringing it to you guys. Ready? So, what should I start out with? Let's start out with the Belgium waffle. So, I'm going to take a bite. So good. Okay. That was absolutely delicious. But this is too. So, please pause this video and put down which one you think is going to be better. Now, okay, if you did, welcome back. Did not fall on the floor, fell on my lap. We are now going to taste this one. So good. That is delicious. Both of our. This one doesn't have enough taste, I gotta say. These chocolate chips really bring out what it's meant for. And there's sugar inside of it because it's a Belgian waffle. They have little sugar things inside of it, which I think are so good. This one, not so much. It has great texture and is super soft, but it has no real taste. So if you wrote down the Belgian waffle, you're correct. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.